Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 12th, 2024, and we're diving into the Home Depot's latest earnings report for the third quarter of fiscal 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. The Home Depot, as the world's largest home improvement retailer, has just released its Q3 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from sales figures to strategic guidance for the rest of the fiscal year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. The Home Depot reported net sales of $40.2 billion for the third quarter, marking a 6.6% increase from the same period last year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
It's a solid performance, especially considering the macroeconomic uncertainties. The increase in sales indicates strong demand, possibly driven by seasonal goods and hurricane-related purchases, as mentioned by CEO Ted Decker. However, it's important to note that comparable sales actually decreased by 1.3%, which suggests some underlying challenges in maintaining growth momentum.
And what about profitability?
The net earnings came in at $3.6 billion, translating to an earnings per share of 3.67. This is slightly below last year's 3.81 per share, reflecting a 3.7% decline. Despite the revenue growth, the company faced pressure on margins, with operating income remaining flat at $5.4 billion.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now, let's talk about earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 3.65 cents, and the Home Depot reported 3.67 cents. How significant is this beat, John?
It's a modest beat, but significant in the context of current market conditions. Beating the consensus estimate, even slightly, can boost investor confidence, especially when the company is navigating economic uncertainties. It shows that the Home Depot is managing its operations effectively, even if margins are under pressure.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's delve into operational efficiencies and the future outlook. The operating margin was reported at 13.5%, with an adjusted margin of 13.8%. How does this align with their strategic goals?
The operating margins reflect some compression compared to last year, but the adjusted figures show a slight improvement. This suggests that the Home Depot is focusing on cost management and operational efficiencies. Looking ahead, the company plans to open 12 new stores and expects total sales to increase by approximately 4%, which includes contributions from the 53rd week and SRS acquisitions.
What are your thoughts on their updated guidance?
The guidance is cautiously optimistic. While they anticipate a decline in comparable sales by 2.5%, the overall sales growth projection is positive, driven by strategic initiatives and market expansion. The focus on maintaining a strong gross margin of 33.5% will be crucial for sustaining profitability.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Ted Decker mentioned better engagement across seasonal goods and hurricane demand. How do these factors play into the Home Depot's strategic initiatives?
These factors highlight the Home Depot's ability to capitalize on external events and seasonal trends. The focus on interconnected retail and supply chain enhancements is designed to improve customer experience and operational efficiency. By leveraging these strategies, the Home Depot aims to drive incremental sales and strengthen its market position.
Key takeaways. In summary, the Home Depot has delivered a robust performance in Q3 2024, with revenue growth and a slight beat on EPS expectations. Despite some challenges in comparable sales, the company's strategic initiatives and future guidance paint a positive picture. John, any final thoughts?
The Home Depot is navigating a complex environment with resilience. Their focus on operational efficiencies and strategic growth initiatives positions them well for the future. Investors should keep an eye on how these strategies unfold in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Home Depot's performance in the comments below. Until next time.